In this video, I will show you how to create AI videos for free using Google Vids.
Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Google Vids. From the results, click on Google Vids. Sign in. Next, sign in using your Google account. Now choose your video orientation. You can select landscape, portrait, or square. For this example, I will choose landscape. At the bottom, select VO 3.1 as your AI video generator. Now enter your prompt. This is the description of the video you want to create. You can use tools like Google Gemini or ChatGPT to generate your prompt, then copy and paste it here. Once ready, click Generate. Wait for the AI to generate your video. This may take a few moments.
In this video, I will show you how to create AI videos for free using Google Vids.
After the video is generated, you can add it to the timeline. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate it. You can also create more clips and combine them into one video. To save your video, go to File, then click Download and select MP4 video. You can create up to 10 free AI videos per month. If you reach the limit, you will need to wait until the next month.
In this video, I will show you how to create AI videos for free using Google Vids.
And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.